Good morning, respected judges, teachers, seniors, and my dear friends. I am Lakshmi Sai from BBA second semester. Today, I feel truly honored to stand in front of you and speak something about not just a political but deeply connected to our lives, the changing political scenario of Nepal. It is often said that every nation has a story of struggle before its success, and Nepal is no exception, right? After Nepal got its constitution on September 2015, the government officially became a federal democratic republic with big dreams, stability, and prosperity. There was hope in every heart that finally Nepal would move forward on a better path. But the sad thing is, slowly that hope began to fade because the government kept changing again and again. Political parties may form alliances and broke them, make new ones. In less than just 2 decades, Nepal faced a repeated political instability. Development remained incomplete, corruption increased, and thousands of young people left the country in search of better opportunities. In between this situation, there is a question arising among the young students: how long can hope survive when the reality is kept breaking it? This frustration did not come suddenly. It grew quietly day by day until it reached its point. Around Bhadra 2082, there was something happened powerful. The youth generation called GNG, who were often silenced, comes out on the street. This movement known as the Gen Z Andolan, which is led not by a power but by ordinary people, students like you and me, and the dreamers who were tired of waiting for better opportunities. It is often believed that when the voices are ignored for too long, they turn into a movement, and that is exactly what happened at that time. In this protest, the youth generation did not carry any weapons. They carried hope. They asked questions, and they asked for a job, justice, and accountability. In this, around in between Bhadra 23 and 27, there is these protests become even more intense. Streets filled with the slogans, fear, uncertainty, clashes broke out. Streets filled with tear gas turned a peaceful road into a uh, chaos, and the road, the voices once carried the dreams of change, now it was slowly turning into the pain of national pain. Among the protesters were students, some even in a school uniform, who were not standing for violence but for their bright future. The street once carried of chains, now also carried of tears. This pain reminds of us one thing, that changes always comes with a cost. And Bhadra 2082, Sushila Karki was appointed as the country's first prime minister under interim government. With that, Nepal entered into a new chapter with new leaders like Balendra Shah and Ravi Lamichhane with new courage, hope, and strength. As you all know, every dark night comes with a bright morning, and slowly Nepal is now turning into that morning. So, change did not come easily, it comes to a sacrifice, pain. Thank you.